What's going on YouTube? It's Jackson here with another Baccarat video. I'm going to just continue where I left off at, but this time I'm going to still play the shooter that I have dealt, but I'm going to hit the random number generator, see what number it tells me to start at, and then I'll just go from there and see if this strategy will win another 100 like that within the same shoe. So we left off on hand number 7. So I'll retry it. So I'm going to take the 121, 25, put that back, start it all over. Let's do a number generator.
You played 23 holes a day, no doubt a very physically demanding day. How are you mentally and physically resetting, like you say, to give yourself a chance heading into Sunday?
I'm tired. I'm really hungry and I'm really tired, so I could use some food and some caffeine.
With that, get some lunch and get some sleep, I thank you.
Alright, so I'm going to go from 1 to 60. It said 6, but we went past that hand already. Alright, 33. We'll pick it up on hand 33. We're still doing a no mirror. We have 7 hands completed already. Alright, so I'm going to just deal them out so it gets a hand. I'm going to start off at hand number 34. Player has 1. Banker has 6. Player has 9. Player wins 9 over 6. Player has a natural 8. Banker has 7. Player wins 8 over 7. Player has 7. Banker has 2. Banker takes a card. Banker has 5. Player wins 7 over 5. Player has 6. Banker has 7. Banker wins 7 over 6. Player has 1. Banker has 2. Both take a card. Player has 5. Banker has 3. Player wins 5 over 3. Player has 6. Banker has 0. Banker take a card. Banker has 8. Banker wins 8 over 6. Player has a natural 8. Banker has 3. Player wins 8 over 3. Player has a natural 8. Banker has 4. Player wins 8 over 4. Player has 5. Banker has 3. Player take a card. Player has 4. Banker take a card. Banker has 7. 7 over 4. Banker wins. Player has a natural 9. Banker has a 4. Player wins 9 over 4. Player has 0. Banker has 1. Player has 0. Banker has 1. Banker wins 1 over 0. Player has a natural 9. Banker has 5. Player wins 9 over 5. We're starting on hand number 20 right now. Player has 0. Banker has 6. Player has 5. Banker wins 6 over 5. Player has 7. Banker has 1. Banker takes his card. Banker still have 1. Player wins 7 over 1. We have a chop streak going of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Player has 6. Banker has 7. Banker wins 7 over 6. Player has a natural 8. Banker has 6. Player wins 8 over 6. Player has a natural 9. Banker has 3. Player wins 9 over 3. We're now on hand number 25. Once we get to hand number 33, that's when we're going to start. Player has 7. Banker has 5. Banker takes a card. Banker has 3. Player wins 7 over 3. Player has 5. Banker has 8. Banker wins 8 over 5. Player has 5. Banker has 5. Player takes a card. Player stays at 5. Banker stays at 5. Tie 5. Player has 6. Banker has 9. Banker wins 9 over 6. Player has 0. Banker has 0. Player has 1. Banker has 0. Player wins 1 over 0. Player has 7. Banker has 0. Banker takes a card. Banker has 3. Player wins 7 over 3. Look like a terrible twos. Terrific twos. However you want to call the twos. Player has 4. Banker has 9. Banker wins 9 over 4. This is hand number 32 now. We're supposed to jump into hand number 33. Player has 0. Banker has 3. Player has 2. Banker takes a card. Banker still has 3. 3 over 2. Banker wins. Alright, so this is hand number 33. But Duncan, when I remember asking him about it, he said he starts at the top of the bead plate. So we're going to let 4 more hands go by and start at hand number 37. Player has natural 9. Banker has 3. Player wins 9/3. Player has 3. Banker has 9. Banker wins 9/3. Player has 5. Banker has 0. Player takes a card. Player has 2. Banker takes a card. Banker has 6. 6/2. Banker wins. Have one more hand to go before we can start. Player has 4. Banker has 2. Player stays at 4. Banker's increased to 3. Player wins 4/3. Right, now we can start. We're doing a no mirror. So hand number 37. 37 says banker, so we're going to bet player for 50. Player has 4. Banker has 1. Player has 9. Banker has 8. Player wins 9/8. It's 50. Got those 2 units, mark them off. Hand number 38 would be a banker, which the opposite is a player. So got the units, 2 units on player. Player has 6. Banker has 1. Banker takes a card. Banker has 3. Player wins 6/3. Get those 2. So here's my 4 unit win. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark it off right here. Alright, so I done did this 2 times with starting at the very beginning of the shoe, then going in the middle of the shoe. The first time I bet it 5 times and won 3 of the 5. The second time I bet it 2 times and won both times. Alright, so that's it, guys. Of the 2, 1, 1, 2. I'm gonna do a couple more videos to see how it goes. Cut card. Gonna reshuffle the deck and start fresh. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, take what the table gives you. Until next time.